In this lecture, we're going to be talking about your critical thinking. We're going to discover how to enhance your critical questioning through different methods and systems, as critical thinking is crucial for rational emotive behavior therapy. So the system goes as follows: preconditioning, diversification, linkage, and application. When we talk about preconditioning, we talk about understanding the basics and the basis. Understanding the basics in terms of what we believe in and what our conditioning is built upon, and the basis upon which those beliefs and this conditioning is built upon. Moving into diversification, learning more about the topic in hand. For you to enhance your critical thinking, you need to learn more about the topic you're trying to critically analyze and interpret. Through the linkage method, you will link your old belief and conditioning to the new ideas that you learned. Again, this is something very similar to the ABCDE model, but it is a different perspective. It's a different way for you to enhance your critical thinking and apply it when it comes to the ABCDE model and eventually to the rational emotive behavior therapy you're trying to apply, which gets us to the last point: application. Putting the puzzle in perspective. Everything you learned about your beliefs and conditioning, everything that you learned recently, while linking both old and new ideas, you will have consequences, actions, and new thoughts that will derive out of it, and you need to put those into perspective and into action through the application step. And to further enhance your critical thinking ability, you need to always engage in questioning. Question your beliefs, question your conditioning, question other people's opinion, question what you learn, question what you don't believe in. The more you question and critically analyze and interpret those concepts, you will be enhancing your critical thinking ability. And also, awareness. The more you are aware of things, the more knowledge you have, the more you will expand your critical thinking ability, as knowledge will improve your reason, your logic, and your rationality. Interchangeable causation is one of the topics you can master to also improve your critical thinking, where you will always look for the cause and effect. For each and everything that happens, there is a famous saying: for every action, there is a reaction. We cannot always grasp the reaction and try to improve our critical thinking with it. We need to look at the action that caused the reaction, understand the link, just as we talked about in the previous slide, to enhance our critical thinking. And lastly, redefining. Redefining old conditioning, redefining old belief, redefining other people's opinions, redefining what you learn through logic, rationality, reasonable analysis and interpretation, and of course, critical thinking. This is how you can improve your cognitive processing ability when it comes to critical questioning and thinking.